Welcome to my channel Knowledge Share, and today here I am with solving a problem related with finding the average speed of two different speeds. Okay, a man is traveling between two different points at two different speeds. So what will be the average speed is what many of the question papers would have encountered such questions in government exams as well as placement exams as well as your other competitive examinations. So this tip will be very useful for you to solve. There are many other different long ways to solve this particular problem, but if you really understand the formula, which I've the same formula has been the formula which I will be discussing here has been explained in the previous video, and I am sure if you really not clear with the formula, you can just watch the previous videos and you can understand how this formula works out. If you are really very clear of using this formula, it will be very helpful while solving the quantitative examinations because it will hardly save most of your time, because if you solve the same question with the conventional methods, it will take nearly about hardly about 2 to 3 minutes to solve it. But whereas if you just solve using this particular formula and this particular trick which I am just sharing it now, I am sure it will take hardly around somewhere around 20 to 30 seconds to solve it. So let's go into the video and let's start discussing of how to solve this average speed problem. So here you can see that a question has been displayed. Okay, so here you can see that. So please read the question first. Okay, read the question and understand the question. A person, so you can see that a person travels from a place P to Q. So it may be P may be somewhere around Chennai, or Q may be somewhere near to Kanchipuram or something like that. Okay, I'm not sure. So they have taken two different points. Okay, a person travels from a place P to Q at the speed of 40 kilometer per hour. So he may be traveling in a bike or whatever may be. Okay, so he is traveling with around the speed of about 40 kilometer per hour, and then he returns at a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. Maybe he may be returning by some cycle or something like that, or maybe the traffic might be high, I don't know. So the average speed when he travels from P to Q is 40 kilometer per hour, whereas the average speed when he returns, that is from Q to P, it is 10 kilometer per hour. So the question asked is, what is the average? So this is the question. Okay, please remember, what is the average speed? So this is what you want to find. What is the average speed of the person during the whole journey? So this type of questions you would have encountered in so many of the placement question papers, competitive examinations. So it's very simple to solve. Okay, so as you know that there is a formula. So in order to find what is the average speed, okay, in order to find the average speed, the formula is 2xy divided by x plus y. So you can see what is the x. X is nothing but the speed that is when he travels from P to Q. So that is what the speed. So you can see that x is nothing but 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, 40 kilometer per hour. What is y? So y is nothing but 10 kilometer per hour. So because when he returns, he is traveling the speed of 10 km per hour, but when he travels from P to Q, it is around 40 km per hour. So both you are known. So now we want to find what is the average speed. So just substitute here. So here you can see that 2 has been substituted, 40 is nothing but your x, and y is nothing but your 10. So similarly in denominator you have x plus y, that is 40 plus 10. Okay, so here, so finally you will be getting this answer, that is 16 kilometer per hour. So this is your answer. Okay, and you will be having so many choices like 16 kilometer per hour or 20 kilometer per hour or 10 kilometer per hour, something like that. Just you solve this within 20 seconds, I'm sure you will be getting this answer, and confidently you can give this answer. It's very simple to resolve this problem. So if you encounter such problems, please don't hesitate in using this formula. It's very simple to resolve this formula, and I am sure it will be a great tip, and it will save your time. It will save your time. Okay, when you solve quantitative aptitude, because you need more time while solving the quantitative aptitude, because you will be given very less time. If you take much time in solving these type of problems, it will be you will not find time to solve the harder problems. So I'm sure this tip will be helping you for your placement and competitive examinations. If you really like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video as well. If you really like the videos which I post in this channel, please subscribe to this channel. I can see that many are watching without the subscription, and if you really subscribe to my channel, I will be more happy of posting more videos like this in near future as well. If you really want to share this video to some of your friends who is preparing for the competitive examination, and if you really feel that this particular formula will be helpful for his competitive examination, please share this video to him, and I'm sure it will be helping him a lot in saving a lot of times while solving the quantitative aptitude questions. And thank you very much for your time, and let's meet again in the next video. See you.